Nothing like a nighttime video. This is the gate to my deck. What's that little shiny thing there? Anyway, the purpose of this video is to show you my Redneck gate holder opener. What's that look like there? Well, what it is a part of a mop or a broom handle. And what's it doing on the gate? There's the outside of the gate opener. Excellent, it's off an old RV screen door. And what this broom handle is for, I'll show you. Look at that. An old mop, broom, closet hanger. That holds my gate open. I figured that'd be great for holding doors open and in a new building or something, if they tend to close on you. I used to have the dog to hold it open, but every time you push that dog over, it takes a whole bunch of strength out of me to push a dog to hold the gate open. Another problem I had was in the wintertime, the freaking dog freezes to the ground because I haven't got a heated deck for him. For her. Anyway. It's my Redneck gate holder opener. Keep gate closed because not that dog, but this dog may get you. Thank you. Thank you for watching.